Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's Sophie's here, and in today's video I want to talk about what you should be aware before buying a property in Cambodia, especially if it's your first time and you want to know things that a lot of people might not talk about. But in today's video, let's find out what things that you need to be worried, what type of property that you are looking at, and is it a good investment or not. So let's go and find out things that you need to be aware before making a decision of buying in Cambodia. So what things do you need to be aware if you are really first time buying property in Cambodia? You have no experience here before. You now find the property you like and you don't know what else do you meet beside the price is good, and you look at the number when people tell you that it's a good return. Okay, there's a few things that you need to be aware also. It's not about developer track record. Now we're not talking about completed project. We're not talking about under construction risk of buying. We are talking about other hidden things that usually owner or tenant buyer don't really know. What is it? It's how they treating you after you buying that property. How these developer cares about you after you buying property. Why is it important, Sophie? It is very important because when we manage the property for you, when we find the tenant for you to buy or to rent that property from you, if the management is not friendly, we are not happy to work with them, and the tenant who stay in your unit are not happy also. They're not gonna live in their peace of home, even though how much is beautiful. If the management is not nice, they don't want to be there. So that's why these things are important. And how do you find out about it? Check on their Google review. Check on how people leave their left the comment. How is your agent informing you? Are they really that? Checking the video, visiting the property if you see the management is really nice or taking care of. What I have seen is that I have seen some developer are really good. After the property been handed over a few years already, they still taking care of their owner, help rent, help manage, which means they still care. They're not just selling you property and they don't really care anymore because they are focusing on selling the new property already. So these things are important for buyer. You need to be aware, because what would happen when you need to rent? What would happen when you need to resell? I have talked in my previous video that if you really need the agent when you buy property in Cambodia, those point out a few things that the agent should help you do. But this time, what would happen after you buy? How the developer will treating you? So this is important as well. So these things you need to be aware of if you are buying property in Cambodia, and many more things that you can be aware. So you can contact us, and I will be happy to give you my honest opinion on a property that you like, or if you wanted to consult with us, we'll be happy to help. So contact us if you want to know more all of these little hiding details. Bye.